Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to the video series on Science MCQ Preparatory Exam. In two papers you have learnt 80 questions. With this question paper you will be learning total 120 questions. First question, the product formed after the reaction of acid with base is salt. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. pH of a solution is 12. It means the solution contains less number of H plus ions than OH minus ions. Metal oxides are also called as basic oxide because they react with acid to form salt. The electron dot structure represents the following ionic compound. It represents option A, magnesium chloride. The reducing agent used to extract metal from metal oxide is carbon. Carbon is used as a reducing agent to extract metal from metal oxide. The process of applying a protective zinc coating to iron or steel to prevent rusting is called as galvanization. The process of applying protective zinc coating to iron or steel to prevent rusting is called as galvanization. The reducing agent used to extract metal from metal oxide is carbon. Students, try to connect the respective concepts from the textbook. Make a note of each point in a notebook so that it will be easy for revise during exams. Now moving to next question. The organ in this diagram related to the organ system. So the diagram is a nephron. It related to excretory system. Next question. The physical quantity to translocate the substances in phloem tissue is, the correct answer is option D, energy. I have highlighted as velocity, but the correct answer is energy. Energy is generated from ATP molecule. Reflex action controlling part of nervous system is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the center of reflex action. Now moving to next question. Movement of plant root towards earth is called as geotrophism. The movement of plant root towards earth is called as geotrophism. Iodine required hormone is thyroxine. Conductor without voltage difference. Without voltage difference, we cannot allow electric current to flow. That is, when there is a potential difference, there will be electric current. Without potential difference or voltage difference, could not allow electric current. The unit to measure electric current is ampere. The unit to measure electric current is ampere. Now, what is the amount of electric current that can flow through a conductor with 10 ohm resistivity and 110 voltage? By using Ohm's law, V equals I into R. Now, I equals V divided by R. V is 110 divided by 10. We get 11 amperes. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 11 amperes. The depending factors of resistance of a conductor are area of conductor, length of conductor. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, both A and B. The resultant resistance of a circuit where 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm and 40 ohm resistors are connected in series and parallel. Series, just you need to add. For parallel, use the formula 1 by Rp equals 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. We get 100 ohms and 4.8 ohms. Take a pencil to find out the effective resistance when it connected in series. Rs equals 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Therefore, the effective resistance when connected in series is 100 ohms. Now, the effective resistance when connected in parallel, that is 1 by Rp equals 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. So 1 by Rp equals, taking out LCM, and simplifying we get 4.8 ohms. You can expect these kind of simple problems in your exam, so do work out the problems based on electricity. Do make a note of all the formulas and units from the unit electricity. Now moving to next question. The law used to indicate the presence of magnetic lines of force around a current flowing conductor is right hand thumb rule. The direction of magnetic lines of force within a bar magnet. Within a bar magnet, it is from south to north. Within the magnet, it is south to north. Outside, it is north to south. The next question, the working principle of a device used in electromotive toy car, that is the simple motor. Therefore, the correct answer is Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. Do study Fleming's left hand rule, right hand rule, and direction indicated by the middle finger, thumb finger, and the forefinger in both the rules, so that it will be easy for you to remember during exams. Moving to next question. The molecular formula of ozone is O3. The difference between CH4 and C3H6, there is a difference of 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, C2H4. The part of soap molecule, that is micelle, react with oil or dirt is hydrocarbon end react with or interacts with oil or dirt. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, hydrocarbon. Question number 63. The process of combination of chlorine molecule with hydrocarbon in the presence of sunlight is substitution reaction. Question number 64. The functional group in this molecular formula is, we have functional group CHO. That means the functional group is aldehyde. The position of aluminium in modern periodic table is, it belongs to P block, 13 group and third period. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. By writing electronic configuration for aluminium, you can find out block, group and period. Question number 66. Potassium, sodium, hydrogen, magnesium, calcium, when these are written in increasing order of their atomic size or atomic radius is. Students, you know that across the period the atomic size decreases. Now, by looking at the modern periodic table, find out the answer. If we move from left to right, the atomic size decreases. Atomic size increases down the group. Now, therefore, the correct answer is option A. Now, generally male gamete is smaller in size and also they are motile. Therefore, the correct answer is both A and B. The following statement that is not related to female reproductive system is option D, sperm production. Sperm production is done in male reproductive system. The disc-like structure embedded in uterine wall is placenta. The ratio of pure tall, impure tall and pure dwarf plants after self-pollination of F1 plants respectively, that is the genotypic ratio, that is 1:2:1. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 1:2:1. Now, moving to question number 71. The example of an organism for non-genetic sex determination is snail. Question number 72. Analogous organs are similar in function but they differ in structure and origin. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. The speed of light is more in vacuum than air because we know that refractive index equals C divided by V. C is the speed of light in vacuum. Therefore, if the refractive index is more, that means the speed of light is more in vacuum. The factors on which the Snell's law depends is angle of incidence and angle of refraction, that is sin I divided by sin R. The nature of an image formed by an object kept 6 cm behind the convex lens having the focal length 12 cm is by using the lens formula we get image distance as 4 cm. That means the nature of image is erect and virtual. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. When the object is placed beyond 2f1, the magnification ratio will be 1:1. That is, same size image is formed as that of object. The following which is not used in biogas plant is useless cements after building construction. Next question, the element used in solar cell is silicon. A good habit among the following is igniting gas stove on after placing the utensil. Traditional water harvesting structures of Karnataka is katta. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Students, do read textbook to score good marks in science. Follow the video series. Do subscribe the channel. Don't miss out any video. Do study well. Thank you.